Hello, I'm Sam from Serious Games, and today we're going to take a look at how layer masking works in Unity by making a character select border. Alright, so to start off, go ahead and drag in your character select border, and then drag that onto a canvas. To create a canvas, you're going to want to go to Create, UI, Canvas. And we want to be able to scale this in relation to the canvas, so we want to add a rect transform onto that object. Now that we have that, it's obviously too big, so we want to resize that down to the size that we want. And we want that to be an x value of 22, a y value of 22, and a z value of 1. Now that we have that, we can right-click on it, and we can go Create Empty, and this will create an empty child. We can go ahead and rename this Mask, and add an image component to it. So, now that we have that, I'm going to scroll over here and show the other thing we need. So this is the same thing as our character select border. The only difference is that it's filled, and this shows what will be shown in the mask. So you want this to be the same as the filled border. Alright, now that we have that, we can go ahead and click on our mask again and drag that filled border onto the source image. And obviously it's too big, so once again we're going to have to resize it. And to make that easier, go ahead and click on Color and change the opacity down a bit lower so that you can see it. And then just resize it until it fits within there. Very nice. Now once more, go ahead and right click on that, click Create Empty, and go ahead and rename that Artwork. Add an image component, and drag whatever it is you want to crop onto that image. Awesome. So now that we have that, we want the character select border to be overlaid on top of that. And all you have to do that is change the Z position of that border to be much larger, or much lower in this case, because that's the way UI works, than that of the mask. So now that we have that, all we have to do is go back to this mask, add a component on it, and have that just be a mask. And that's all it takes. So now, as you see, you can move this around and it'll only show what is within that border. And of course you can change that show mask graphic option to false, and it won't show that filled border behind it if you were to move it. But of course, then it won't crop either, it just stays what it was. So, that's all it takes to do this, so thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.